What is happening to our planet?
What does our future look like?
How will work be defined?
Everything is changing.
The rise of technology is unstoppable.
The change in the workplace is disrupting almost every industry globally.
Many jobs are disappearing as machines do our work more efficiently.
The scale of the transformation is unlike anything we've ever experienced before.
Artificial intelligence has a major impact on our lives and our occupations. We might no longer be able to tell apart what is real and unreal.
We ask ourselves, where are we and where are we heading?
How should we respond to the digital revolution?
Technology has created new career paths.
Therefore, we can build our own future, our own world,
Our own life.
The only question is, are we ready?
Technology, the change in the workplace is disrupting